Once you start using Monday.com for your work portfolio, you'll start to accumulate a lot of tasks that you're associated with. Tracking those down across multiple boards can become a challenge as more get added to your workload. That's why we're going to look at the My Work feature of Monday.com so that you can see everything you're associated with all in one place and not have to go exploring to find what you need to be working. The My Work view is available in the very left nav bar under the My Work icon. You simply click on it, and then you see everything you are an owner for in Monday. The tasks are divided up as to when they're due. Um, Things that are overdue, due today, this week, next week, etc., or without a date in the due date field. So now you can come into this view, find what you need to be working on next, and you don't even have to leave this screen to provide updates. You simply click on the item you need to address, make any changes that you need to for the due date, and click the X button once you're done with your updates. Everything gets cleaned up in the view. That item moves to the correct division of your timeline, and you're able to move on to the next item. It's worth noting the hide done items filter that lets you take anything that is complete and remove it from the screen so it doesn't get cluttered. As you complete items, that list is going to grow. So you would see something like this with all of your done items if you weren't filtering them out. That can be good if you need to go back and reference something, but in your day to day work, it's typical that you'll want to hide those items so you can focus on just what needs to be completed. Currently, however, you can't filter items that haven't started yet from this view. There is a trick to making that work. So, what I would do for the items that need to be filtered that uh, aren't by default a done status is go into that particular project and change the status uh, settings to indicate that those fields that you don't want to show are in fact done columns. So you would click the customize status column and include any of the statuses that you don't want to show in My Work for active items as a done item on that board. So now when I go back to My Work, those items from that board that are the default status are now indicated as done, and they don't show up on this board. Hope you found that helpful. The My Work space is great for focusing in on what you have coming up, in progress, and to do. If you like these tips, like and subscribe. I'll have more coming soon.